internet friends. So today I'm gonna be doing Miles's makeup. As you can see, I matched his makeup to mine. I did the best I could. This wasn't the original plan. I actually just wanted to do like a natural, no wing, you know, slight dewy glow. But then when I was halfway through, he goes, why don't you match my makeup to yours? So we tried. Okay.
And away we go.
Okay, this is what we have to work with today. I have my foundation that I'm gonna be using as his concealer. It's the Revlon Photo Ready Insta Filter foundation that I use in every video. And then for his main foundation, I'm gonna be using what I use for my contour on occasion, which is L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. You should have shaved before this.
I was gonna shave today. What does that symbol mean?
It doesn't mean anything. I was just getting the foundation on there. Stop! Since we're doing such a natural, simple glam, this probably isn't gonna take that long at all, actually.
What?
This.
The whole thing?
Yep. Because I'm doing, like I said, such a natural.
I thought you was gonna do like match your look, which would have been kind of cool.
If you want me to, I can. You have to trust me.
Okay.
You have to trust me. You have to trust me.
Okay.
You gotta stop pulling away. You have to stop. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm a makeup artist. This is my profession. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I gotta do it. You keep pulling back and like you're making it really difficult and like you need to relax.
Can I close my eyes?
No, because you have to look up just for this little second. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not sure what is the brand and what is the shade name, but this is Youngblood Tawnee and it's powder foundation.
Called loose foundation, I believe.
This is the Narcissist contouring palette that I always use, but I'm kind of gonna be using it for his whole face. Now this is Miles's favorite part. I'm gonna set his face with the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. Okay. I'm gonna highlight your face now with the Revolution highlighter palette.
Anastasia lip palette.
Anastasia lip palette. That's what we're gonna be using for his eyebrows.
Eyebrows are popping. This is a peculiar applicatory process. What do you call this?
What do I call this? It doesn't have a name. I take a brush, a pointy brush, and I stick it in this, and then I put it on your face.
So if I was a real interviewer, you would have just failed.
I'm gonna use the NYX Ultimate Mattes palette, and right now I'm gonna take this red shade and put it over his eyelid. You gotta close your eyes but lift your eyebrows. Yes, exactly. Yeah, this is definitely not natural, so we're gonna have to redo the intro for sure. You gotta trust me. I'm not gonna hurt you. I'm not gonna do nothing. You're starting to look like you're in a rock band. This is gonna be hard for a couple reasons. First of all, because I'm not good at doing winged eyeliner on other people. And also, come on, stop it. And also because he doesn't like things going in his eyes. So that makes for a good combination.
I don't like nothing nowhere near my eyes.
Yes. Well, I'm not gonna do.
Gee, thanks, animatronius.
Well, it's not focusing, but this is the Master Precise all day. I don't know.
All day, every day.
Master Precise, Maybelline, whatever. I don't like it that much. It's running out already, and I just bought it. I do not do this with my other customers. That's as good as we're gonna get. It's very sad looking, but
How?
that's as good as we're gonna get. I tried. So that's like as good. Okay, hold on. I gotta fix it a little bit. We're trying! We're twins. I'm gonna use the NYX Vivid Brights Yellow Liquid Liner to make a little line where that line is. Also, under his brow. It looks sad. I tried my best. I'm not gonna do mascara on you out of the kindness in my heart. But we gonna move on to lips. And then we gonna be done. I'm gonna use the Anastasia lip palette that I always use for his lips. You got some dry lips, Miles. Damn.
I know that.
I just cut my finger on your lips.
Touch.
There, you ruining my makeup brush right now. Okay, I'm just kidding. They're not that bad. Stop, we were in the same color. Now I can kiss you on the lip. What? What?
What in my mouth? I felt it on my teeth.
Oh my god, that happens sometimes. It's okay. Here, go like that. Because I gotta get it off of your teeth. Stop. Why are you making that face? You low-key look like your mom. Okay. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I do makeup. I talk about politics. I have really adorable pets. A pretty cool boyfriend. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. Music credits will be in the description below. Follow my social media. Products will be in the description below. Subscribe! Hey, what's up, you guys? Today I'm gonna be doing Miles' makeup, and I'm gonna give him a nice, natural glow. What do I say? Like, to transition into what we're actually doing. I'm gonna cut all of this out.
And away we go.
Sorry.
Here's a makeup tip 101 for your audience. How do you get makeup from not going in your ears?
You don't? You clean your ears after you do your makeup. There's pretty much always powder in my ears, actually. You've never noticed that before?
How would I?
Well, you know how sometimes you can kind of see like someone else's earwax, like it just like.
No,
really...
I'm never that close to
okay,
anybody.
Well, you're that close to me.
No, when
Regularly.
I'm paying attention to your earwax. That's the least of my concern.
Well, good, because I don't know. I always worry that people are gonna see the makeup in my ears and think that I'm just like really unhygienic. I am really unhygienic, but you can't see it in my ears.
Shit, I haven't brushed my teeth in 2 months.
This is actually a no teeth brushing household that we have here.
But we floss like a motherfucker.
Yes, we do floss exclusively. I'm gonna set his face with the NYX Dewy.
Setting spray.
No, it's called Dewy Finish.
Well, that's what it is.
Yeah, okay, well, it's the Dewy Finish setting spray. Okay. Stop it, the point of this is so your face dries exactly the way it is. So if you go like this, all them wrinkles are gonna stay like that. Like you see from smiling, your wrinkles right here.
And my rap history now is so much more better. I thought about that sentence and that's what I was trying to avoid.
It's okay.
It's just so much better. I gotta pick my nose real quick. Nobody will ever stop me from that. Cause I am comfortable with myself and my situations.
I can touch the white parts of my eyes.
Why on earth would you ever do that?
Stop.
I'm not gonna watch this video now.
I won't put that in. Or this. Or that. Or that. Or that. Or that. Or that. Or that.
Wait, what?
Wait, what? Things going in his eyes. And I have to say that again because you just like birds.
No, I didn't.
Thinking everything's distracting. Okay, well.
If you want me to, I'll do it right now.
I'm gonna, no.
You're lucky I can't.
Yeah.
Too many witnesses.
I'm starting to sweat. The wings that I do on other people look like a visual representation of depression. And I just really need to improve before people start asking me to do like their prom makeup and stuff. I wish I was ambidextrous. Come on. I don't like know how to. Fuck. Okay. Stop it.
Yeah.
You're the one that wanted me to do the same makeup on you that I already have on myself. Because you said that it would be cool. So I'm trying to do your request here. What are you doing? You better stop. You just made me spit. What are you doing? Do not look at me like that. No, that's not why. It's because I keep sliding off of your legs. You're not supporting me properly.
Get a job and support
How
yourself.
about you shut up so I can do your lipstick?
That's all, folks.